This is Ken from Jazz Time. Jazz Time is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest price anywhere online. If you'd like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate it if you'd buy a watch from us once in a while. Today we're going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 28, reference 279171. Rose gold and steel with a green diamond dial. We're going to talk about the case, the bezel, the dial, the movement, the bracelet, and then try it on for you. So diving right in, you'll notice that this is a 28mm case. From my thumb to my index fingers, it's the smallest that Rolex makes for ladies, and it replaces the old Datejust 26mm and increases by 2mm, which is actually 10%. It's kind of a lot. It also has, if you look at the case, thinner lugs. Now I don't have a 26mm to compare it with, but you can trust me when I say these lugs, the ones that connect from the bracelet to the case, they're thinner. It makes the watch look more balanced, more elegant. In my opinion, just makes it all around look better. And in the opinion of Rolex also. By the way, this is just the sticker that's on there. It's not actually, it's new, but the sticker peeled off and left a little residue here. That's what you see. Will your watch come with stickers? Maybe, maybe not. Depends. A lot of dealers are taking them off nowadays. This one just happens to have it. But it doesn't really matter. You're not going to wear the stickers anyways. So, moving on along, the bezel is 18 karat rose gold. Rose gold has a little bit of copper in it. It's fluted, and this is an iconic look for Rolex. The bracelet is a Jubilee style bracelet. It's a hidden bracelet, as you see here. Hidden meaning that you close it, and it turns like you can't tell the difference. Now that 36mm watches don't have a hidden bracelet. They changed that. Okay. Now the dial, probably the most unique on this, is green. This is the first time Rolex has made a green diamond dial on a Datejust from a steel model. So I think it looks awesome. In fact, the person who bought this thinks it looks awesome too. And if you think it looks awesome, well, you can go to jazztime.com and buy one. So I'm going to try it on. Keep in mind, I am a man. This is a woman's watch, but it still looks pretty darn cool. Okay, so visit us at jazztime.com. Buy this watch. We don't make these videos for free, and we really appreciate if you support us and keep us in business by actually buying one of our watches. Thanks, and press like and subscribe below.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jazz Time, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.